My name is Jürgen Stoll. I'm Aftermarket Manager at CPM Extrusion, part of the CPM Group. We have as well a high knowledge of material of construction, of design of parts, and as well of process technology. We are not only supplier of spare parts, we are as well manufacturer of twin screw extrusion lines and ring extruder. For services like wear audits or assemblies at customer location as well at our site, for screw elements, for barrels, we are doing service of checking the condition of parts, like measuring diameters, checking the surface, and with our wear audit inside of the barrel, which locates defects within the process section when it's still assembled, we can find out which items need to be replaced and which ones are worn out or not. So if this service is done frequently, you have a good preventive maintenance possibility, machine availability, and reduce your costs for maintenance, and especially the downtimes of your machines are limited. Auxiliary devices like vent units, degassing units or side feed units are also available and scope of our supply. Therefore, we have a bigger scope of supply compared to many of our competitors, and we can offer the complete package to all of our customers.